How to hang a shower door. Difficulty level 1 hammer. A tailor-made toughened glass shower door is much safer and more pleasing to the eye than a simple shower curtain, and it lets in the daylight. Models with sliding panels are better for large shower trays and may be slightly extended widthwise to suit your measurements. This is the kind of 2-panel shower door we used for our example. You will need a shower door, screws and wall plugs suitable for the type of wall, masking tape, and a tube of silicone mastic. You will need a tape measure, a pencil, a hammer drill, a masonry and a ceramic tile drill bit, a spirit level, a cordless drill, a metal drill bit, a screwdriver, a sealant gun, and a hammer. Before purchase, measure the distance between the walls or partitions and the shower door at the top and bottom. Choose the model that will fit the available space. If you choose a sliding door model, you can take advantage of a few centimeters of play between the glass panels. If the walls are not truly perpendicular, the brackets can easily be adjusted by a few millimeters. With most sliding door models, the door is reversible. This means the static glass panel can be on the left or the right. The static panel should be placed alongside the shower head where there is the most water spray. Position each wall bracket against the wall or shower partition, about 1 centimeter from the edge of the shower tray. Use a spirit level to check they are vertical and mark the outline with your pencil. On the side of the static glass panel, place the strip of masking tape near where you will drill and mark the drill holes for the wall brackets. Select low speed on your drill without the hammer option while drilling the tile. Then switch to high speed with the hammer option. Remove the tape and insert the wall plugs. Squeeze a bead of silicone sealant on the back of the wall bracket before fixing in place. This is additional waterproof protection in an area exposed to water spray. The static glass panel. First, insert the static glass panel into its brackets as shown in your instruction leaflet. Screw the vertical bracket to the horizontal bracket to strengthen the whole frame. The sliding glass panel. Insert the sliding door runners into the horizontal brackets. Position the vertical brackets round the frame and screw together. Then insert into the side bracket. Assembly. Place the door assembly at a slight angle to the side bracket with wall plugs. Insert the bracket around the frame fully into the side support, adjusting the alignment of the door assembly. Align the other side support with the pencil marks you made earlier. Even if the vertical line you made at the beginning of the installation looks true, check the position and verticality of the shower door assembly relative to the tray. When everything is perfect, mark the drill points for the side supports. Connection. Move the assembly to one side. Drill. Insert wall plugs. Line up the assembly with the drill holes and then screw into place. There is no need to use silicone sealant behind this bracket as it is well removed from any water spray. At this point, the shower door assembly is held in place by the side wall support brackets. You can still correct any slight vertical misalignment before finally fixing everything in place. Final adjustment. Check that the top of the bracket is level and the glass panels are perpendicular. When everything is perfect, drill a hole 15 centimeters from each corner, screw and add the screw head cap. Finishing the assembly. Follow the instructions in your leaflet to install the seals and finishing strips on the edges of the sliding door. Insert the end caps onto the tops of the vertical supports and then attach the door to the sliding glass panel. Ensure all is watertight. Squeeze a bead of transparent silicone sealant outside the sides and base of the door frame of the shower. Leave for 24 hours to harden before using the shower. After using the shower, rinse and use a rubber squeegee to remove any trace of limescale on the walls. Every week, spray a bathroom limescale remover or warm vinegar to clean any traces of scale on the walls. Rinse with clean water and rub dry to bring back the shine to the glass panel. A pretty rapid solution to create an enclosed shower, which is both light and perfectly waterproof.